Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video vlog, but but my longtime buddy, brother, and friend EXO made a good point on his latest video, and I'm gonna talk about that. You know, guys, we live in the we live in the land of the free, in the home of the brave. And I'm asking you guys, why can't we all have the freedom to choose what car audio that we want to run? You know, it's like EXO was saying. It doesn't matter if you wear Nikes. It doesn't matter if you wear Reebok or whoever knows what. And just because I prefer a brand that works for me, doesn't give someone else the right to crucify me and to talk down on me for my equipment. I mean, I want to echo this again. We live in the home of the, excuse me, I got a cold here. We live in the home of the brave and the land of the free. Land of the free, let's break that down. We are free to make our own choosing, to make our own choices. And I want to echo this again. It doesn't matter what the left side runs. It doesn't matter what the right side runs. It's all about what you want to run. Yeah, it's all about what you want to run. And that's all that matters. I'm going to give you an example of what I have to deal with. People give me crap and they give me such a hard time because I don't buy down for sound. I don't buy down for sound, and instead, I buy from Sky High. I've been faithful and loyal to both Sky High and John Raby for years. And John knows this. I'm a happy camper in Camp Sky High. And speaking of Sky High, keep your eye on me, because I got some big plans coming up in the future. But yeah, do I hate JP? No. Do I hate Down for Sound? No. It's just not my taste. They don't, the stuff that I want and need, I just prefer Sky High over Down for Sound. And I hope that makes sense. Because, man, this Spacehead community has gone completely off the deep end. And it's like EXO said, if you buy certain equipment, and oh boy, you get your butt kicked for buying the wrong equipment that someone else that doesn't want you to have. But once again, going back to the home of the brave and the land of the free. Free to make your own choosing. I mean, guys, this is nuts. This is totally ridiculous that so many baseheads are fighting with each other just because of brands. I've seen friendships end because of this. Long-lasting friendships end because of this. Just because one guy isn't running what his buddy is running, they've broken up and split ways. All I gotta say is, guys, my fellow baseheads, please, for the love of base, stop this madness. Save our friendships. Our friendship is not worth wasting over just because we buy different equipment than our buddy does. And that's all I wanted to say, guys. And I hope I'm getting through to at least one person. This is totally nuts. Us baseheads, we are so lucky to live in the land of the free. Man, I'm so thankful and I'm so blessed. And especially after what I've been through in the hospital, being sick over this past year, I'm so lucky and I'm so blessed to have so many of you baseheads that are still backing me, behind me, rooting for me, cheering for me. And people that want to see Praise Nader back on the road again, who want to hear me demo Praise Nader. Well, you guys will get that demo. I guarantee every single one of you. But two guys I owe a demo to the most is Stephen Duncan and Scott Delbeck. And then of course I can't forget CAE. And then and also want to give a demo to my good buddy Kicking It with Andy. He's gonna give me a demo of Cookie Monster. Yep. But guys, please stop fighting. Man, it's not worth. Friendships are not worth wasting over just because your buddy runs different equipment than you do. It doesn't matter. Anyways, I'm gonna upload this, guys.